right, Snowflakes. Keep it steady or you'll be eating more snow than skiing on it. Crab claws to stop, sardines to go.
That's skiing terminology to help you remember how to move and stop.
Can we stop for real food? I don't think skiing is for me.
Skiing is just like walking, except slippier and downhill and faster. But don't worry, I'll show you the ropes. See? Piece of hake. Who needs crab claws or sardines?
Need a paw, Flix? Or a leash? Ah, Flix. You ski like a bowling ball with a grudge.
Flix!
Wow, look at you. Total naturals. Bend the knees, keep it smooth, just like my perfect example.
You're right, Flix. This might actually be fun.
In a watching you crash kind of way.
Face it, Flix. You should stick to playing fetch.
I can ski. I'll show him.
He's not going to say what's the worst that can happen, is he?
Oh, I don't think he needs to.
It's all about finding the right rhythm.
Smooth as butter. If the butter fell off the counter and rolled down the stairs.
Hey, this is advanced level skiing. You can't teach this.
That's probably a good thing. Hey, is that a film crew?
Attention all skiers. Matt Cat, the crime-fighting legend himself, is filming his latest action epic, Snowballs of Fury. Think you've got what it takes to share the screen with the king of cool? We're casting extras today. If you've got the right moves, you might just make the cut.
Ski extras? In a Matt Cat movie? This is destiny barking my name.
Snowballs of Fury? More like snowballs of failure. You couldn't even go viral on MuleTube.
Okay, listen up. If we're gonna show Burma we can ski and star in Snowballs of Fury, we've got to step up our game. I'm talking crisp turns, epic moves, and charisma that will make Matt Cat's whiskers curl.
But you fell putting on your skis.
And then got stuck in a snowbank for 5 minutes?
Details, minor hiccups. Follow my lead and we'll shine like stars.
I think it might be the other way around.
Tabby's right. We don't have a snowball's chance of getting cast unless we coach you.
All right, fine. I'm the student. Hit me with all you've got.
First lesson, always be ready for a snowball.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. Huh? Sizzling sardines. Look.
Whoa! The lights, the cameras, the action. It's all here.
This is it. Our moment to shine.
Ooh, I hope the film has good insurance.
The paws that uphold the law. The king of crime fighting. Matt Cat.
He's drinking hot cocoa. Not exactly kingly or crime fighting.
We should say hello. He probably remembers us from the Forever 11 teen fiasco. I mean, fun event.
Woohoo! Let's go! Oh no, Burma and Ratsky got picked as extras.
I'm just here for school supervision. Strictly professional.
You two, over there. No further. Stand perfectly still. Look cold. Colder. Perfect. Now, don't move.
This is a waste of my talents.
I said don't don't move! It's time for Matt-Cat's Black Diamond stunt.
Huh? Why be in the background when you can be front and center instead? Ah! Yes, this is our ticket to stardom.
Or our ticket to accident and emergency.
Step aside and watch how it's done, pup.
Whoa, too fast, too fast!
This is a disaster about to happen. Someone do something.
Hold my skis. Oh, actually, I might need them. This isn't about the movie, the school, or who's the best skier. Burma's in trouble. Tabby, Munchkin, create a path. Ratsky, with me.
Hold steady, Flix, and stop smiling. It's not a roller coaster. Whee! Wow!
Hey, the gang's all here. Hold tight. Gonna be a wild ride. This is it. We only have one shot. Maca, what a legend! We're still alive, Flix!
I feel like a slush puppy.
Finally, something in common.
Thanks for not letting me become a permanent snowball. Not a word of this leaves the slope. Understood?
That's a wrap. Congratulations. You'll be Action Cat Pup #3 alongside Action Cats 1 and 2.
What about me?
You, let's see. Bumbling Skier.
Don't worry, Burma. Movie credits are meaningless. Nobody pays any attention to them.
Your role is Ski Master.
I suppose Ski Master does have a certain ring to it.
Okay, so we weren't the best skiers today. But you don't have to be the best at everything, right?
But you should always be ready for a snowball.